This video is all about Smart Modules. Smart Module is a unique feature we've developed for both CueServer processors and SmartNode interfaces. We recognize that different projects require different I/O ports. Smart Module gives you the ability to simply plug in the ports you need for a particular installation. Sometimes a project requires DMX ports. Other times you need some contact closures or relays. Maybe you have a project that needs station bus for a wall station. The bigger the project, the more configuration you need. Smart Module solves this problem. You can plug whatever Smart Modules you need into your CueServer directly, or you can use Smart Modules with our SmartNode interface to expand how many ports you have on your CueServer. Additionally, SmartNode is also standalone. It can work with any lighting console or other generic controller to output DMX and I/O, and more using protocols like streaming ACN or UDP. As of the filming of this video, we offer 14 different Smart Module types to choose from. Let's take a look. Our first category of Smart Modules are for DMX. We have 7 different styles to choose from depending on what type of jack you're looking for. We have 5-pin XLR male and female, 3-pin XLR male and female, an RJ45 EtherCon jack, and 2 different terminal block styles. Any of these modules can be configured to be either DMX inputs or DMX outputs, and they are fully isolated DMX ports for the highest level of reliability. The next group of Smart Modules is for digital I/O. We have an 8-channel I/O module where each pin can be configured as a contact closure input or as a digital output. We also have a 4-channel relay module. This module is used when you need to switch dry contacts on or off. Each channel will handle up to 1 amp at 30 volts. This is great for switching things like high voltage contactors, projection screens, window shades, and more. We have 2 station bus modules. These are for interfacing with both our Mystique and Ultra series of Cue stations. One module supports our 2-wire button station network, and the other is for our 5-wire station network. If you're planning on adding button stations to your project, these modules add the ability to connect them to CueServer. We also have 2 serial modules, both RS-232 and RS-485. Finally, we have a MIDI module. You can either send or receive MIDI messages to all kinds of MIDI-compatible controllers, and this module can also be used for input MIDI timecode into the CueServer. So that's our current lineup of Smart Modules, and we have more in development. If you're looking to add Smart Modules to a CueServer processor, the CueServer 3 Pro model has 8 available Smart Module slots. The CueServer 3 Flex models have 4 available slots, and the 2-port SmartNode has 2 available slots. And that's an overview of all 14 Smart Modules. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our sales department. Thanks for watching.